Uday.
Yeah, please, you continue, madam.
Once I want to talk to with Uday. Hello.
Yes,
Hello,
ma'am.
Uday.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Which area? Where did you stay?
Andhra, ma'am.
Andhra Pradesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ikkada Andhra Pradesh lo?
Anantapuram, madam.
Amma?
Anantapuram district, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Kalingapuram district. Okay. నిన్న క్లాస్ విన్నావా ఉదయ్?
లేదు మేడం.
నిన్న వినలేదా?
No, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Shall I continue the class?
Yes, madam. Please, you.
Good afternoon, everyone. In the yesterday class, I'll start the photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? What is the definition of photosynthesis? How many? What is the structure of photosynthesis? Next one, what type of photosynthesis are there and the definition? Which cell organelle to interact to the photosynthesis? These all things are completed in yesterday class. In this one, as you know, photosynthesis is the endergonic process. That one is the anabolic and endergonic process. The final product is the glucose and some amount of water. Oxygen is to release. The cell organelle meaning is the here chloroplast is the most important of the cell organelle. Yesterday I'll explain to the what is the chloroplast, what is the importance of chloroplast. In the chloroplast, stroma is most important. The structure of chloroplast I'll explain to the last class. The stroma is the most important. Here you can observe the stroma, different types of enzymes. That is the enzyme rich involved with the CO2 fixation of photosynthesis. That is a part of stroma. And in this embedded in the stroma, thylakoids are present. That is a sac-like structure. That is called the sac-like. 1 second, I'll show that one picture. See here, this one is a stroma. In the stroma, this is the most important in case to ask the question in the examination time. In this stroma, what is the importance of stroma? Stroma, which is the enzyme rich and involved with the CO2 fixation. To ask the question, where the CO2 fixation in chloroplast, where the stroma is there. In that stroma, number of more enzymes are involved in this one to fix to the CO2. Next one, in the stroma embedded in the thylakoids are present. See, these are the thylakoids. Sac-like structures are there. That part is called thylakoids. Okay. The stalk of thylakoid, another name is called grana. Very important. The stalks of thylakoids, that name is called granum. Grana is a bunch where the single name is called granum. Okay. Next one, the region where where one thylakoid is the contact with other. And one thylakoid with other contact with other. See, this is the link is there, no, where my pen is there. This part is the link part. The other the reason where the thylakoid is contact with other, not exposed to the stroma. That place is called that total place is called oppressed region. Very important to ask question here only. Oppressed region, the connect in between to the two thylakoids, that is called the oppressed region. Okay, next one. All the grana are linked. Grana, you know what is the grana? All grana linked by the fourth membrane or stroma lamella. This total grana linked by stroma lamella. Where you can link in this linked name is called stroma lamella or stroma thylakoids. These stroma thylakoids end membrane of the grana. You can observe where the stroma thylakoid. This is the end membrane of grana, and this grana merges with the exposed stroma. This stroma is called non-oppressed region. Here two most important and thylakoids also important. Grana is important. Oppressed region, and second one is the non-oppressed region. Here, the cavity in between thylakoids. Where this is the cavity in between the thylakoids. That name is called lumen. In case some to ask the question, where you can identify the lumen in the cavities, where the cavities of the thylakoids are there. In that thylakoid cavity name is called lumen. The thylakoid membrane, see, very important. These are the thylakoids. In that thylakoids is some empty places are there. Cavities are present in thylakoids. That name is called, the thylakoid empty name is called lumen. Here the membrane, the thylakoid membranes contain two structurally distinct photosynthesis. Here to ask the question, where photosynthetic units you can observe in chloroplast, where the thylakoid membranes contain, the thylakoid membranes to contain two structurally distinct photosynthetic unit. That one is called PS1 and another important second thing is called PS2. Both are there. Later I'll explain what is the PS1, PS2. Okay, this is the yesterday class. I'll explain the structure of chloroplast. Why I'll again to explain here to ask the question, many questions. Where did you identify the enzymes in carbon dioxide fixation? That is the stroma. What is the thylakoid? What is the grana? What is the stroma lamella? What is the appressor region? What is the non-appressor region? Where did you to identify the photosystems in the thylakoid membranes to identify to contain to the two structurally distinct photosynthetic units? Okay, this is the structure of chloroplast. Next one, I'll explain to the pigments. Very most important to ask the question year on year also. Very most important questions to ask the pigments of the photosynthesis. See here, what is the pigment? That is the colors. In these colors, the pigment systems. See here, this is a pigment. Here you can see here in this one. First, I'll explain to the pigments. Molecules that absorbs light are called pigment. What is the pigment? Where the molecules are there. In that molecules to absorption of light, that is called pigments. The pigments present in the chloroplast. Pigments, where did you identify? Here also to ask where you can identify the pigments in the chloroplast only. Here three types of pigments are you can identify. The first one is the chlorophyll. The first one is the chlorophyll. The second one is the carotenoids. The second one is called carotenoids. The third one is called phycobilins. The third one is called phycobilins. Three types of pigments you can observe where in chloroplast only. What is the pigment? Molecules that absorbs light, that is called pigment. Where did you can identify the pigments present in the pigments in the chloroplast only? How many types of pigments are there? Three types. The first one is the chloroplast, second one is the carotenoids, the third one is called phycobilins. Okay, first I'll explain what is the chlorophyll. What is the chlorophylls? Here, chlorophylls meaning are the green pigments. Where the chlorophyll are there? In that chlorophyll is the green pigments responsible for harvesting light energy. Chlorophyll is the green color, and you can ask the someone what is the color of chlorophylls? Green color pigment. These green color chlorophyll pigment responsible for harvesting light energy. Very important. Chlorophylls too responsible for the light harvesting energy. Structurally, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B is a total different. In the chlorophylls also two types. I'll explain later. First, chlorophyll A is chlorophyll B. Structurally, chlorophyll molecules main two parts are there. I'll show it. What is the part? See, this is the picture. Diagram is the chlorophyll. This one is the structure of chlorophyll, not A, B. Later I'll explain. The chlorophyll molecule consists of two parts. See, this one is the one part. This one. And this here, this part, this is another. This part is called second part. What is the chlorophyll part? This is under here. Two parts are there. The first name, this part name is called porphyrin head part. What is the name? This one, porphyrin. Very, very important. The structure also very important. Porphyrin. That is called porphyrin head part. And the second part is called the tail part. This part is called phytol. What is the name? That one is called phytol tail part. Second one is called phytol tail part. Chlorophylls are the green pigments. When you can ask the chlorophyll color, green pigments responsible for harvesting light energy. That is the most important. The structure of chlorophyll, two parts are there. This part is called porphyrin head part, and this part, the second part, is called phytol tail part. Okay, the porphyrin head, see, you can observe where my arrow marks are there. This part you can observe the porphyrin head part. One second. The porphyrin head part, this porphyrin head is made up of 4 pyrrole rings. See, 4 pyrrole. This is the first ring, this is the second ring, this is the third ring, this one is the fourth ring. How many pyrrole rings are there? Here, the porphyrin head is made up of 4 pyrrole rings. How many rings are there? 4 pyrrole rings are present. This is the first one, first, second, third, and fourth. 4 pyrrole rings are there. That's why this is called tetrapyrrolic head part. What is the name? Tetra. Why tetra? 4 pyrrole rings are attached in this one porphyrin head. That's why this is called tetrapyrrolic head part. These tetrapyrrolic head linked in a cycle manner. Linked in this one is a cycle manner. And I can observe a magnesium atom. Here you can observe, see, here not magnesium is there, not there, but I'll write here a magnesium part. A magnesium atom is found in the center of porphyrin ring. You can ask the question here also. What is the structure of chlorophyll? Color is the green color. Two parts are there. Function meaning responsibility meaning harvesting of light energy. What is the structure? Two parts is main important. The first one is the porphyrin head part. The second one is the phytol tail part. The porphyrin head part, here 4 rings of made up of 4 pyrrole rings are present. That's why this is called tetrapyrrolic head. These are the cyclic, to arrange the cyclic manner. In the how to arrange in the in the center part. The center part to attach the magnesium atom is found in the center part of porphyrin ring. To ask the porphyrin, the chlorophyll in the porphyrin head, which chemical atom is present? That is the magnesium. Okay. The second one, phytol part. What is the phytol? This phytol is a 20 carbon alcohol. How many carbons are there, ma'am? Here, how many? 20 carbons are present. 20 carbon alcohol and is esterified to the 4th ring of porphyrin, the tail part. The second is the tail part. See here, the first ring, second ring, third ring, fourth ring. This is the 4th ring. Okay. The phytol tail, where the phytol tail is there, in that phytol tail, 20 made up of the 20 carbon alcohol and is esterified to the 4th ring of porphyrin head. And this one to attach to the 4th ring of porphyrin head part. The phytol tail, the 4th carbon of porphyrin head part to attached. Here also to ask question, which carbon to attach to the porphyrin tail? 4th carbon of porphyrin phytol tail. 4th carbon of porphyrin ring to attach to the phytol tail part. Here how many carbons are there? 20 carbon alcohols is esterified in the 4th ring of porphyrin. Okay. This is the structure of chlorophyll. Did you understand structure? Yes. Anybody to respond? Did you understand the structure of chlorophyll?
Yes,
What
madam.
happens?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
okay. Next, this is a only I'll explain structure, not A, B, C like that. Okay. Here two are very important. Ma, in this one, the structure 4, 5 in head, 5 talu, way to attach in the middle atom is the chemical atom magnesium. This point is the very most important in your examination time. Next one. Okay. Here chlorophyll is a green color. How many types of chlorophyll are there? Most probably all are to tell only 5 types. Only 5, but okay, 5 types of chlorophylls are there. What are they? Chlorophyll A, B, C, D, and last one is E. These are the common type of chlorophylls. But you can keep in your mind to ask the examination time question. Only chlorophylls in the how many types of chlorophylls, meaning only 5. In case in the microorganisms, in the bacterial, total is called +2. 5 + 2 is equal to how many? Total 7 type of chlorophylls are present. Again, these are you can observe in the higher in the plants, where the plants algae too, you can read out to the algae. In that one algae you can observe these all chlorophylls are found. But in the microbial bacteria, again two types of chlorophylls, bacterial chlorophyll 560 and bacterial chlorophyll 565. And 5 + 2 how many chlorophylls, ma? Total 7. But depending the question, here to ask the depending question in the examination time, only can ask the how many types of chlorophyll? Only 5 only. But you can observe the question in the microorganism also 2 types of chlorophylls are there. Bacterial chlorophyll 560, bacterial chlorophyll 565. Total how many chlorophylls, ma? Total how many? Total how many chlorophylls?
7, madam.
Total 7. Okay. See, and depending the question. Okay. Next one. I'll explain to the what is the chlorophyll A. First, I'll explain to the chlorophyll A. Chlorophyll A is present in all photosynthetic organisms. See here, chlorophyll A is present in all photosynthetic organisms except photosynthetic bacteria. Where you can observe A is all photosynthetic organism except where photosynthetic bacteria. Why here in the photosynthetic bacteria chlorophyll photosynthetic bacteria chlorophyll 560, bacteria chlorophyll 565. That's why here in that bacteria this A is totally absent. The second thing is a B, where we can all higher plants in chlorophyce member of algae. Chlorophyce member of algae, you can observe to the chlorophyll B. The A is the most present all photosynthetic organism, only except the bacteria. But chlorophyll B, all higher plants and another one chlorophyce member, that one is called algae. You can observe this chlorophyll B. Okay, did you understand what is the chlorophyll A and what is the chlorophyll B? Yes. Next thing here, the second and here A is A. Where you can identify the A and where you can identify B. Both are can understood, I think. What is the different chemical structure? You can ask the question in the examination time. Chemical structure also most important. What is the chemical structure? You can see, observe here. Chlorophyll A chemically like this: C55, H72 and O5N4Mg. This is a chlorophyll A chemically structure. Difference in between A and B. B is C55, H70, O6N4Mg. You can byhead it. Both are the most important to ask the question in this one also. What is the in the examination time? They can give to the 4 optionals. they miss the any one number and this one. That's why keep in your mind and practice this one. A is C55, H72, O5, N4, Mg. B is same like that, but except here H70, O6, both are two different in between A and B. Another thing also here, with regards to their molecular structure, the chlorophyll A and B, the molecular structure is that in the case of chlorophyll A, see, listen careful. In the case of chlorophyll A, methyl group. Methyl meaning what is the methyl? This one. Methyl is a CH3 is a methyl group. The methyl group is attached to the third carbon of second pyrrole ring. See, you can observe third carbon of second pyrrole ring. This you can observe the CH3 group. Where the CH3 group is there, the second carbon, see this one, CH3 group is the to attach the third carbon of second group, second pyrrole ring. This is the first, second, this is the first carbon, second carbon. You can observe this is a CH3 group. Second carbon, the most important this point also, with regards to their molecular structure, is that the case of chlorophyll A, the methyl group to attach to the third carbon of the second pyrrole ring, third carbon, no, second pyrrole ring in the porphyrin head. And in case of chlorophyll B, here chlorophyll B and a aldehyde group. Which group we can attach, ma? Here aldehyde group. This is called the aldehyde. CHO is the methyl is the CH3. The second one is the aldehyde. CHO is the aldehyde. Is attached the same position. Chlorophyll A attached to the same position. CHO group to attach to the same position. That is the chlorophyll A. And this structure is the chlorophyll A structure. Here chlorophyll A is blue-green color. What is the A color, ma? Blue-green color. A to attach it to the methyl group. B to attach it to the, which one is the methyl group, and the second B to attach it, the chlorophyll B is there in the same position to attach it to the aldehyde group. This is a between in the A and B. How to identify where the CH3 group is there? That is the A. Where the aldehyde group one is the chlorophyll B. Okay, what is the color? A is always blue-green color. Where B is there, that is the olive green. The difference in between, A always blue-green color, B always olive green color. When you can ask the chlorophyll is green color pigment, that is a okay, that is a normal point. But A is color is different, B is color blue-green color A, B is the olive green. Okay, remaining other one also I'll explain. No, chlorophyll C, chlorophyll D, and chlorophyll E. You can observe where these are colors. First thing, C, chlorophyll C. You can see observe in Phaeophyceae algae. What is the Phaeophyceae? In which scientists to algae to classified into 11 classes. In that 11 classes, the first one class, that class name is called Phaeophyceae. Phaeophyceae is the brown algae. You can observe to the chlorophyll C color. Okay, the second one, Basilarophyceae. That one is the diatoms. In that diatoms, you can observe to the chlorophyll D. And last one, chlorophyll and in Rhodophyceae also. Both here diatoms and second one Rhodophyceae. Basilarophyceae and Rhodophyceae can observe D color of the chlorophyll. And last one E, Xanthophyceae. The member of algae classification, that is the Xanthophyceae. You can observe the chlorophyll E. These are the chlorophyll. How many chlorophylls are there? 5 types of. One is the chlorophyll A, B, C, D, E. Chlorophyll A is color olive green, sorry, blue green color. B olive green color. A is a common in all algae and photosynthetic organism. except the bacteria chlorophyll, and chlorophyll B in higher plant, and chlorophyce member, that is a blue green, sorry, green algae, you can observe. And the difference is, as you know, what is the chlorophyll A and what is the chlorophyll B. I'll explain the yes, now only. And the next one, what is the other chlorophylls? See, you can observe Pheophyce member, that is a brown algae, and D diatoms. The D for chlorophyll D is color. You can observe Basilarophyce, that is a diatoms, and Rhodophyce member, red algae. And the second next one, chlorophyll E, is a Xanthophyce member. This is the colors in between the chlorophylls and different types of colors. The first pigment chlorophyll is completed. See, after chlorophyll completion of, here another thing is that the second pigment, that is called carotenoids. In the slide, carotenoids are not there. I'll explain. Now here, what is the second one? Carotenoids. Here, carotenoid meaning, in this one, what color is there? Carotenoids, yellow color. What color? Yellow color, orange, purple pigment, orange, purple pigments, carotenoids. The second phytohormone, sorry, for the pigments, that is called carotenoids. Carotenoids always yellow color, orange, purple color. See, you can observe main color. You can observe the flowers, fruits, and these are is a can what you call the leaves are the green color, chlorophylls are present, but some algae different chlorophyll colors are there. I'll explain in the algal time. Here carotenoids only for the fruits, flowers, some vegetables. You can observe carotenoids. What is the color carotenoid? You can roadside you can observe yellow color flowers, yellow color different colors of vegetables. In that color to produce to the these carotenoids. Here yellow, orange, purple color pigments belong the large group of compounds. These carotenoids is a large group of compound that is called terpenoids. Very, very important. What is that? Where the large compound of carotenoid? That is called terpenoids. All terpenoids are called carotenoids. Don't confuse in the examination time to ask this terpenoid. Which pigments to the terpenoid or carotenoids is a terpenoid. They are open chain. Here head part, tail part in chlorophyll. But these carotenoids, no, these are the open chain compounds. Like carotenoids are divided into, these carotenoids again divided into two types. Again two main categories. What are the main categories? One is the keratin. Carotenoids is different. Keratin is different. The first one is the keratin. The second one is the xanthophyll. Keratin's chemical formula C40. C40 H56. Very important. Carotenoid chemical formula C40 H56. Xanthophyll chemical formula C40 H56 O2. This is the chemical formula in between, difference in between keratins and xanthophylls. Both are combined with carotenoids. What is the carotenoids? Both are present, keratin and xanthophylls. But here keratin is different, xanthophyll is different. Keratin is the chemical structure C40H56. Xanthophylls is the C40H56O2. What is the difference in between? Keratins you can observe hydrocarbon, common example lycopene, alpha carotene, beta carotene. Characters do you know carrot, beetroot? These are the beta carotenes. Carotenes are present. That's why this is a carotenoid, alpha carotenes, beta carotenes. The color is the orange color, reddish color, and orange purple color. These are the best example for the carotenes. Next one, xanthophylls. Xanthophylls always yellow color flowers, yellow color fruits. These are the found into the xanthophylls. But here the difference in between keratin and xanthophyll. Here same formula are there, but in the xanthophyll you can observe oxygenated hydrocarbon. Oxygenated hydrocarbons are present in the xanthophylls. What are the xanthophylls? Lutein, zeaxanthin, the best example of the xanthophylls. These are the keratins, and in between where the oxygenated in the keratins oxygenated is absent, but here xanthophyll is oxygenated, xanthophylls are present. That's why to different in between keratin and xanthophylls, but both to combine with the keratin, the name is called carotenoid. Here I'll give the one best example. If you take the tomatoes, the starting color is the green color. What type of pigments are there? Where the green color is there, in that is the chlorophylls. These tomato to turn into the yellow color. Tell me what type of pigments are present yellow? Anybody? Anyone to respond? What is the yellow color? The tomato starting is a green color. That is the chlorophylls are present. The turn into the yellow color. Yes or no? Tell me what type of pigments are present?
Carotenoids.
No. Carotenoids kaadu. Carotenoids meaning here green. What is the yellow, orange, purple? These carotenoid to again to divided. One is the keratin. The second one is the xanthophyll. Where keratin is there, CA40, H56 is the keratins. Keratin color alpha keratin, beta lycopene, orange red color. Best example carrot తీసుకోండి. And the second one is the tomato also, red color tomato, not for yellow color. This is a keratin, don't confuse. Keratin is the carrot is the best example, red color or orange color. Xanthophylls meaning yellow color flower. If you take the chrysanthemum, chemanthi, chrysanthemum, and these are the yellow color flowers. If you take, that is a xanthophyll, don't confuse here. Xanthophylls is a yellow color, keratin is a orange. Tomato, the first color green color is the chlorophyll. The second turn into yellow color. Yellow color meaning which one, ma? Ain't yellow color. What is the yellow color? Xanthophylls. Xanthophylls is the yellow color. The second turn into the red color, no, that is keratin. Don't confuse. Carotenoids is the both to combine with the keratin and xanthophyll, that is the carotenoids. But only keratin is different, xanthophyll color is different. Just I'll give the example for the tomato. The best example, the pigment system to turn to the different types of colors. Green color, yellow color, red color. Yes or no? As you can observe that colors. This is the keratins. I think you can understood the carotenoids. Yes.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Just because of this tomato from green to yellow,
Next one.
red, just because of
Yeah, sir. Tell me, sir.
the plastids are converted into different forms. Chlorophylls, chloroplasts, that is chloroplasts, leucoplast, and chromoplasts. So chromoplasts are responsible for the coloration of different parts of the plants, mainly the flowers, petals of the flowers. The leucoplasts are mainly useful for storage of the food material, and chloroplasts are useful for especially photosynthesis. So these are the most important pigments. Madam, please you continue.
Yeah. The third one, the third pigment system is the phycobilins. What is the third one? Phycobilins. Very most important in this one. The third one is the phycobilins. Here, phycobilins is the last pigment system. In these phycobilins, exclusively you can observe in the algae pigments. Only you can observe in phycobilins only for algae. That's why I'll explain exclusively algae pigments. Present only two classes of algae. That are the two are main important. That are first algae is the rhodophyceae member. What is the first one? Red algae or rhodophyceae member. Red algae or rhodophyceae. The second one, cyanophyceae member. That is the blue-green algae. Nasta, Cannabina, Cytonema. These are you can study it in the cyanobacteria or cyanophyceae or blue-green algae. Okay, you can exclusively observe in the phycobilins two types of classes, that is a rhodophyceae. The second one is a cyanophyceae member. These are water soluble. See here, I can explain only this question to ask many times. Which pigments is a water soluble pigments? A and the chlorophylls, carotenoids are not explained to the water soluble pigment. Only I'll explain here phycobilins are the water soluble pigments. To ask the question, compulsory question, this one. What type of pigments is the water soluble? Only exclusively phycobilins is the water soluble. They are also, these phycobilins also to divided into two types. First one is the phycobilins, phycoerythrin, and this phycoerythrin, the first one, and second one is the phycocyanin. Here, where the phycoerythrin is there, the dominant color is the red color. Where the phycocyanin is there, that color is the green algae, blue-green algae, blue-green color is dominate. In the rhodophyceae, red color is there, no ma? In that red color, here phycoerythrin is the dominate. That's where the color is the red color algae. In the cyanophyceae, blue-green color. Why here phycocyanin is the dominate? That's where the color is the blue-green color. Here it is a red color and blue-green color pigments are there. The carotenoids and phycobilins serve a dual function. Both. Which one? Carotenoids and these phycobilins serve a dual function. What is the function? Very important function is there. The first function, trap the radiant energy and transfer to the chlorophyll A. Listen careful. Two are the main function. Dual function are there to both combine with the carotenoids, phycobilins. What is the first? Trap the radiant energy, meaning sun energy is the radiant energy. First, these two trap the radiant energy and transfer this energy chlorophyll A, not direct chlorophyll A to trap the light energy. Which one to trap? These two trap the energy and transfer chlorophyll A. That's why chlorophyll A is called reaction center. What is the chlorophyll A is called? Reaction center. Hence, carotenoids, phycobilins together constitute accessory pigments. Here to ask the question, which one is the accessory pigment? Carotenoids and phycobilins. Why two accessory pigments? The first radiant energy to trap energy and to transfer this energy to chlorophyll A. That's why both pigments is called accessory pigments. And the prevent the chlorophyll from photo bleaching, and very important, the second one, these two prevent the photo bleaching energies. What is the photo bleaching energy? That is called photo oxidation. The name is called photo oxidation. These two prevent the what is the phycobilins, and the second thing is called the second one, phycobilins and carotenoids. These are the total pigments. Did you understand today's class, that pigment system? What happened? Did you understand today class?
Yes, madam.
Yes. Yeah, sir. Shall I close it?
Okay, madam. Thank you. It is a wonderful program, a wonderful class regarding of this pigmentation, pigments, and
Sir, one thing I'll explain here. I miss this question. What type of pigments in the water soluble? In that time, I'll miss that question. See here.